the Apple iPhone 16 event earlier this month and knew I was going to upgrade within 15 minutes of the iPhone 16 Pro Max portion. My phone is the one piece of technology I never leave home without. As a full-time digital nomad, I work remotely from all over the world, so I rely on a powerful smartphone not only to stay in touch with family and friends, but also to watch entertainment, read books, manage travel logistics, and even run parts of my business. iPhone 16 pre-orders are now available. When I'm on a bus or aircraft for hours, or worse, detained in an airport terminal, and still need to work, a more powerful smartphone, such as the iPhone 16 Pro Max range, is a better match for me. Here are important reasons for upgrading to the latest phone one. Longer battery life. 2. Greater storage and better camera functions, 61%, 46%, and 38% respectively. Apple's Glow Time event seemed to be more focused on these advancements than AI capabilities such as Apple Intelligence, and I appreciated the emphasis on actual improvements rather than AI hype. Here are 4 reasons why I'm upgrading to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is now available for pre-sale and will be released on Friday, September 20. The new iPhone 16 Pro Max's primary camera is 48 megapixels and can capture 4K video at 120 frames per second, a first for the iPhone. But what really got me excited was the new camera control button. The camera control button looks similar to a side fingerprint reader, and it is slightly indented. Pressing the button launches the camera app, and subsequent pushes or slides of your finger let you to choose between different settings. This seems to be useful for refining shots while your arm is still extended without having to reset many times, which is ideal for vacation selfies. I routinely use digital gadgets when traveling to keep connected and productive, so battery life is a crucial concern. External battery chargers and power banks help me avoid running out of energy, unless I forget to charge the charger itself, which has occurred previously. But trip days may occasionally be extended in unexpected ways. The battery life of the iPhone 16 Pro Max was mentioned briefly, but it piqued my interest enough to look into the specifications. Apple claims the battery will last up to 33 hours of video playback, 29 hours of streaming video playback, and 105 hours of audio playing. Apple also said that the latest version of the Pro Max has 25-watt MagSafe fast charging capabilities, allowing you to wirelessly charge the phone to 50% in around 30 minutes. I'd want to try this myself to confirm, but it seems intriguing. I'm not a huge fan of artificial intelligence, but Apple incorporating its own Apple Intelligence technology, which conveniently abbreviates to AMI, into a device I currently use would assist someone like me get more accustomed with the capabilities. To be clear, Apple Intelligence capabilities will also be included in the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max models as part of iOS 18, which is now available as a developer beta and will be officially released later this month. The feature that excites me the most is Apple's Visual Intelligence, which employs AI to recognize objects around you. This will be especially useful when traveling to foreign countries and needing to identify unfamiliar objects, though there may be language barriers at first. Apple stated that the Visual Intelligence feature will only be available in English until the end of the year, and will expand to other languages by 2025. I'm enthusiastic about Apple Intelligence's writing and editing tools, since I write a lot of emails, social media posts, and article drafts on the go, so having those capabilities on my iPhone will be useful. I could also see me getting a lot of use out of the AI picture search capability. Like most people, I have hundreds of images on my phone. I'm also looking forward to Siri's improvement, which will still understand what you're saying even if you mumble through a voice command. The iPhone 15 Pro Max I now own has a 6.7-inch screen, which is a reasonable size. I enjoy how the new iPhone 16 Pro Max has a little bigger 6.9-inch screen and smaller bezels. Thinner bezels will make the screen seem even bigger as I watch movies, conduct video chats, and read books. The new iPhone 16 Pro Max's cover is composed of ceramic shield. Apple claims the material is grade 5 titanium, which I am unfamiliar with, but I am certain it will result in less scratching, something I am all too acquainted with. I've dropped my iPhone many times while rushing to catch a train or trip, so the added protection will come in helpful. I believe the iPhone 16 Pro Max will enhance my day-to-day existence as a digital nomad and entrepreneur. It's a difficult lifestyle at times, but it's rewarding to go on excursions and chronicle new things along the way. The most significant enhancements for the iPhone 16 Pro Max are the camera control button, a bigger display with lower bezels, a new A18 CPU, and Apple Intelligence, the company's in-house AI functionality. So that's all we know for now. We'll be sure to keep you updated as soon as we have more information. Thanks for watching.